So guys, God of War Ragnarok, the Word of Fate. You get stuck here at this point where this creature health will not go down. You keep trying to hit it, but the creatures slip away all the time. It's not the problem of your weapon, it is that the creature needs to be stopped. You had to use an arrow. I don't remember the name, sorry, but the F icon in the keyboard in default settings, F icon, that arrow needs to be hidden to the creature. Point it and hit it. Freya will hit those arrows and creature will be stuck, and then only you could kill the creature by hitting those arrows. F in the default keyboard. So that's it guys, you see health going down, and that's it. Without the arrow you cannot defeat it. Yeah, there you go.